So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another bee swarm event video, but this time I don't think anything will go wrong. So, stay tuned. So, first of all, let's check up this place, the event place. First, let's do this. Yeah, we gotta give 10 kgs of our pollinated plant and it will give us honey. I'm going to show you how. First, I am going to take my pollinated mango and give it. And then now the honey compressor has started, means next after 3 minutes it will give you honey. Next is this queen bee. Press talk. So there are 4 questions here. 1, what are you? 2, I want to trade honey. 3, where can I get honey? 4, never mind. So first, now if we want to trade honey, we press I want to trade honey, and then you get all these things. And the bee crate, it gives you some cosmetics to customize your garden. And then basically from here onwards, from the bee crate, everything is accessories. And then there's a hive fruit seed, there's a nectarine seed, there's a flower seed pack, and there's a bee egg, a honey sprinkler. Yeah, basically these things, and it all costs honey. And then the event is about to start in like a minute. So first I'm going to show you guys how to plant or put the bee crate. I've placed it here. It has been 5 minutes. I placed it here, and after the timer ends you can open it. This is the gear shop. You can see the daily quests, you can see the gear shop. I do know my daily quest, but I want to buy some gear. What do I do? You got to press show me the gear shop, and here it is. The event has started. So this time I am being quick and grabbing the fruit, because last time I was really late and I don't know where the fruits are now. I'm kind of lagging, but I guess it's okay. We got another pollinated one, but this time it is the strawberry, I guess. I wanna collect it, excuse me. Yes. Let's check up on the shop. Let's see what is in stock. I would like to trade honey. There is a flower seed pack, but I do not have honey, so I'm going to collect honey and then I'm going to buy it. Yes, now right now the honey is 9. I have 9 honey with me now. Now let's check on the pollinated fruits in my garden. We got another pollinated fruit. It's a tomato. We did get a dragon fruit which is rainbow and chilled, but this is not pollinated. We have another pollinated fruit. It's a cactus. Also, according to me, the bee crate must have opened, right? No, we still have 1 minute. We got another pollinated plant. But the problem is, I don't know where it is. We got another pollinated plant. And I think it's, yeah. It's tomato. I think we have something over there. Yep, it's a rainbow blueberry. We got another pollinated fruit, and that is a beanstalk. If that's worth more, then I will sell it instead of getting honey. We got another one. I don't know where that is. Yeah, that is a coconut, I guess, right? Yeah, I think it's a coconut. We got another pollinated flower or a fruit. But the problem is, guys, I don't know where these all fruits are. I also couldn't find the pollinated beanstalk. I went fully up, but I couldn't find. Yeah, this carrot is pollinated. The bee crate is ready. We're going to open it. When I'm recording, I don't get good things, so let's see what we get. What is it? I don't know, but we got a pollinated. What is this? Bamboo. I don't know what I got. Let's check. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a light or something. We got a pollinated raspberry. Uh-oh, max space. First, before selling, I always need to search pollinated and then favorite the pollinated stuff so that it won't get sold when I sell my inventory. Okay, we got one more pollinated, what do we call? Fruit. Oh yeah, max space. I'm going to sell. We got 1,000,000, not bad. We got another pollinated one. I think it's a apple or a mango. Not sure. Also, we are going to give plants now. The beanstalk is worth 93k. It's not much, so I'd rather give it for pollination. While we wait, let's collect our pollinated fruits, or what we call. And then also we found another pollinated thing, right? What was it? Somewhere over here. Not sure. I think it's a mango or dragon fruit. I'm not sure. Yep, it's this corn. And our mango or dragon fruit, it got pollinated. Yep, pretty sure it's a mango. No, it's a dragon fruit. Yep, we collected it. There was another pollinated thing here. The problem in my garden is that it is too big. It's too, jumbled up. If we want to find something, we cannot. That's the problem in my garden. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's all for today's video. I know it's a bit long video, but thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.